So my name's Aaron Dodwell. I'm the lead developer of Blacksmith Croft, which is the site that we're standing on now, and also the 2 units at the rear of this, which is the Close, which we've been working closely together on. My background, I've got a degree in construction project management. I've renovated a fair few properties, but this is the first time I've done new build on quite a big scale compared to the previous projects I've been working on. So we're building 8 units here. We're in Dinnington conservation area, so the process was quite problematic with planning. Obviously, as I've explained, we've worked on quite a tight site and it's the last piece of developable land in the conservation area, so we've had quite heavy planning restrictions and things, but we're building 8 detached executive homes on here, as you can see. So the front 5 are stone and the back 3 are render as we come out of the conservation area. As we were going through planning on this, we got planning permission for 3 rear units that were yet to start to build on this site, which actually became quite problematic because we were quite close to the neighbouring property. So I knew the vendor of the neighbouring property, and sadly he passed away. And the property then became ours. We acquired that, which was a 4,000 square foot house that was too big for the area. So we totally demolished the front of that, took the roof off and split that into 2 executive units with big glass atrium spaces. It's been fantastic working with Utility Source and being able to have one point of communication rather than working with the different service providers to try and get everything organised and not face project delays. So Utility Source have been super responsive, always come out when we needed them. They're very, very good at advising on exactly what we need to do and when we need to do it by, which just helps us tighten the project programme to make sure that it doesn't lead to financial penalties.